In 2025, the Office of Public Works commissioned 2 films about publicly funded architecture. Arklow Wastewater Treatment Plant by Clancy Moore Architects. And Rosslare Europort by Architectural Services within the Office of Public Works. Through local eyes and through community voices and their stories, these films explore the role of architecture in the delivery of infrastructure and its capacity to generate value for many as a matter of general public priority. Ireland's national policy on architecture in action.